Today we're going to learn how to install windows and flashings and weatherization of windows on a pole building. The first step in weatherization of a window is installing a vapor barrier. In this case, we're using DuraScrim. The vapor barrier will be installed above the window, and it needs to be secured properly and tight without wrinkles to the best of your ability. You secure it with staples, a hammer tacker, and once it's secured, you will cut an X in the window hole and you will fold those edges in. Once you've folded those edges in and they're tacked into the inside of the building, you will install the window. You will tack the window up, and then before permanently securing the window with screws, you want to make sure that the window is level. You want to make sure that when you open and close the slider, that it's plumb. When you put the slider almost closed, there should be a parallel gap between the window frame and the window slider portion. And you also want to make sure that you do a cross measurement. If you do these 3 steps, it'll assure your window is square and it'll operate properly. On windows, there are weep holes. These weep holes are located on the outside of the window, and these are designed for condensation, and you want to make sure those are on the lower side of the window when installed. If not, there can be water issues. Once you've installed the window and it's square and plumb and proper, go ahead and secure the window permanently. Make sure to leave at least 3 inches from the corners of the windows where you put the screws or nails. We recommend to verify with manufacturer what those exact setbacks are. Lock buildings could assist you with that. Once you've secured the window properly, you want to use a FortiFlash, and that is a name for the window tape. When installing the FortiFlash, make sure you start with the bottom first, and then the sides will overlap the bottom, and the top piece will overlap the sides. This is all designed for proper drainage, and it's very important that this gets followed correctly. On the C casing, which is the metal trim that goes around the window, we will get double-sided sticky tape, and you adhere that to the back side of the C casing when you secure it to the FortiFlash. The bottom piece of C casing will be cut at the sides of the window. The sides of the C casing will go from the top of the window to the bottom side of the lower C casing. The top C casing will extend beyond the 2 sides. Once all your C casing is installed with double sticky tape, you're ready to secure it permanently with screws. 3 screws on each C casing is recommended. These techniques are all designed to create a weather-tight building.